The triple camera setup on the back includes a popular 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, the same as the predecessor GT Explorer Master, and seen in half a dozen other Realme smartphones. Another 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and 2-megapixel macro. The 16-megapixel selfie shooter is mounted in the centered punch hole. The phone is only going to be available in mainland China, and Realme is not planning to bring it overseas, which is a pity, as it is really looking great. Prices start from $520 for an 8 128GB version, $564 for 8 256GB, and almost $600 for 12 256GB.